And what he's done is he hasn't cleaned it off. When the antlers, you know, they drop them every year, they go a new set. And when they don't, it grows in that skin, and when it's as big as it's going to be, if they don't clean it all off, that antler that has the velvet still on it won't get hard. And if these bulls are playing and sparring with these big bulls and just playing out here, they'll probably break off those points. We have two, those are young bulls, that's their first set.
Those are cute little ears.
They shed when it's all controlled by daylight. So when the days get longer, and their testosterone level has to drop. Those two things have to happen for them to shed an antler. Because they're here on our feed ground, their testosterone level will stay a little higher than it does if they were out in the woods. So in our area, it's about March. But if they were up in the hills on their own, it'd probably be earlier. When that happens,
Can't get any closer than that, right? Can you feel it on your back? Hope it doesn't hook into your coveralls. I don't think you will. Give you a ride. We see.
It is really tempting to reach out and pet one of those, isn't it?
Oh my goodness, yeah. That is incredible. You are majestic, buddy.
I actually got it working.
he's moving them out of there, and he knows exactly where